cosmic void breathing, hook asterisk imagine a place so dark, light itself recoils. A place so vast, it swallows galaxies whole. A place where the very fabric of reality thins to a whisper, and sanity becomes a forgotten dream. These aren't the nightmares of your childhood. These are the real terrors lurking in the cosmic shadows. Welcome to the scariest places in the universe. INTRO asterisk we've all felt it, haven't we? That prickle of unease when staring up at the infinite expanse of stars. That primal fear that whispers of things unknown, things ancient, things terrifying. Humanity has always been drawn to the dark, to the mysteries that lie beyond our immediate grasp. We tell stories of haunted houses, of creatures lurking in the deep, but the universe, my friends, offers a horror far grander, far more profound. For centuries, we've looked to the heavens and seen beauty, wonder, and the promise of discovery. But what if I told you that woven into that celestial tapestry are pockets of pure, unadulterated dread? Places that defy our understanding, challenge our perceptions, and make the most terrifying tales on earth seem like bedtime stories? Today, we embark on a journey that will take us to the very edges of existence, to the cosmic horrors that scientists are only just beginning to comprehend. Forget jump scares and flickering lights. We're talking about existential threats, about phenomena that could unmake us, or worse, render us utterly insignificant. We'll delve into the chilling reality of black holes, not as distant astronomical curiosities, but as cosmic maw that devours everything, even time itself. We'll explore the unsettling silence of the void, a silence so profound it can drive a person to madness. We'll confront the unimaginable power of supernovas, the explosive deaths of stars that can obliterate entire solar systems in a blinding flash. But the true terror lies not just in raw power, but in the subtle, insidious ways the universe can unnerve us. We'll venture into the realm of dark matter and dark energy, the invisible forces that dominate the cosmos, shaping its destiny in ways we can barely fathom, like unseen puppeteers pulling strings across unimaginable distances. What are they? Where did they come from? And what if they are not merely inert forces, but something more? We'll discuss quasars, the incredibly luminous and active galactic nuclei, powered by supermassive black holes, spewing out jets of plasma that stretch for millions of light years. Imagine a cosmic lighthouse, not guiding ships, but burning them to a crisp with its relentless, incandescent gaze. And then there are the truly bizarre. The theoretical possibilities that make your skin crawl. What about the multiverse? Are there infinite universes, some of them perhaps teeming with horrors that would make our own existence a paradise by comparison? What about the possibility of cosmic strings, theoretical one-dimensional defects in spacetime, remnants of the early universe, capable of warping reality itself? This isn't science fiction anymore. This is the cutting edge of astrophysics, the place where imagination collides with the cold, hard data. We are peeling back the veil on the universe, and what we're finding is both breathtaking and bone-chilling. So buckle up. Prepare to have your perception of reality stretched, warped, and perhaps even shattered. Because in the vast, indifferent theater of the cosmos, there are places that will haunt your dreams, places that will make you question everything you thought you knew. This is our exploration of the scariest places in the universe. Through that tapestry of starlight are threads of pure dread? What if the very emptiness between the stars isn't so empty after all? Today, we're not just exploring the cosmos, we're venturing into its most terrifying corners. We're going to peel back the veil on the places that make even seasoned astronomers shiver, the cosmic landscapes that defy our understanding and challenge our very sense of existence. Forget jump scares and gore. We're talking about existential dread on a scale that dwarfs human comprehension. We're talking about the scariest places in the universe. Our journey begins not with a bang, but with an abyss. Section 1, The Great Attractor, the cosmic monster pulling us in. Imagine you're standing on a beach, and you feel a gentle tug, pulling you towards the ocean. You might dismiss it as a current. But what if that tug became stronger, more insistent, dragging you, your house, your entire town, towards an unseen, irresistible force? That's a pale, almost laughable, analogy for the great attractor. This isn't a galaxy, not a cluster of galaxies, but something far more colossal, a gravitational anomaly so immense that it's warping the very spacetime around it, pulling our entire local universe towards it at an astonishing speed of 600 kilometers per second. Think about that. Every single star, every planet, every nebula in our cosmic neighborhood, including our own Milky Way galaxy, is being inexorably drawn towards this unseen behemoth. We can't see it directly. It's hidden behind the dense dust and gas of our own galaxy, in a region of the sky called the zone of avoidance. It's like trying to see something through a thick, impenetrable fog. But its presence is undeniable, screaming at us through the gravitational influence it exerts on everything around it. Scientists have been studying this phenomenon for decades, and while we have a better understanding now than ever before, the sheer scale and mystery of the great attractor remain deeply unsettling. It's a stark reminder that we are not in control, that our galaxy, our solar system, our very existence, is at the mercy of forces far beyond our comprehension. It's a cosmic bully, a gravitational tyrant, and we are all just along for the ride, hurtling towards an unknown destiny. The sheer power required to move entire galaxies is staggering. Imagine a single object, or perhaps a region of space, with the mass of 100 trillion suns. That's the kind of scale we're talking about. It's not just a collection of matter, it's a gravitational well so deep that it creates a cosmic landslide. And we are the pebbles being swept away. The implications are mind-boggling. If this pull continues indefinitely, what does it mean for the future of our galaxy? Will we be ripped apart? Will we merge into this colossal entity? Or will we simply be absorbed, our stars and planets becoming part of something unimaginably larger, our individual identities lost in the cosmic maw? The great attractor represents a fundamental lack of control, a cosmic surrender. It's the universe's way of reminding us that we are but specks, subject to forces that have shaped existence long before us and will continue to shape it long after we are gone. It's a silent, relentless predator, and its hunger is infinite. The fear it inspires isn't the fear of a sudden attack, but the chilling dread of an inevitable, inescapable fate. Section 2. Black holes. The ultimate cosmic prisons. From a force that pulls us, we move to a destination that traps us. Black holes. The very name evokes images of inescapable darkness and terrifying power. But what exactly are they, and why are they so profoundly frightening? At their core, black holes are regions of spacetime where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They are born from the death of massive stars, when a star's core collapses under its own immense gravity, squeezing an incredible amount of matter into an infinitesimally small point called a singularity. The boundary around a black hole, beyond which escape is impossible, is called the event horizon. Crossing this threshold is a one-way trip. Once you're in, you're in. And what happens on the other side? We don't truly know. Our current understanding of physics breaks down at the singularity. Some theories suggest you would be stretched and squeezed like spaghetti, a process terrifyingly known as spaghettification, as the gravitational pull on your feet would be vastly stronger than on your head. Others propose more exotic possibilities, but the truth is, no one has ever returned from beyond the event horizon to tell the tale. The sheer density of a black hole is mind-bending. Imagine taking our Sun, a star so massive it dwarfs our planet, and crushing it down to the size of a small city. That's the kind of density we're talking about. The gravitational forces are so extreme that they warp spacetime itself. If you were to orbit a black hole, time would pass slower for you than for someone far away. It's a cosmic time warp, a distortion of reality dictated by gravity's ultimate victory. The most terrifying aspect of black holes is their silence and invisibility. We can only detect them by their effects on their surroundings. The way they warp light, the way they pull in gas and dust, creating swirling accretion disks that heat up and emit X-rays. But the black hole itself remains unseen, a void in the fabric of the universe. It's the ultimate predator, lurking in the darkness, waiting for unsuspecting matter to wander too close. And they come in all sizes. Stellar black holes, born from single stars, are just the beginning. Supermassive black holes, millions or even billions of times the mass of our Sun, reside at the centers of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way. These behemoths are cosmic engines, their insatiable hunger shaping the evolution of entire galaxies. The supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy, Sagittarius A*, is thought to be about 4 million times the mass of our Sun. While it's currently relatively quiet, its potential for destruction is immense. The idea of a place where escape is utterly impossible, where the laws of physics as we understand them cease to apply, where time and space themselves are twisted into unrecognizable forms, is a profound source of cosmic horror. Black holes are the universe's ultimate traps, eternal prisons from which there is no parole, no escape, only oblivion. They are the ultimate expression of gravity's power, a testament to the destructive potential that lies dormant in the cosmos. They are the silent, hungry voids that remind us of our own fragility in the face of cosmic forces. Section 3. The Bodhi's Void, the Great Emptiness. Now, let's shift our focus from overwhelming presence to terrifying absence. Imagine a vast desert, stretching for miles in every direction, devoid of life, devoid of water, devoid of anything. Now, amplify that emptiness to cosmic proportions. Welcome to the Bodhi's Void, also known as the Great Nothing. Discovered in 1985, this is an enormous, nearly empty region of space, stretching approximately 250 million light-years in diameter. To put that into perspective, our Milky Way galaxy is about 100,000 light-years across. The Bodhi's Void is so vast that if our galaxy were placed at its center, it would take us 2,500 Milky Way diameters to cross it. And within this colossal sphere, there are estimated to be only about 60 galaxies, a pittance compared to what you would expect in such a volume of space. For comparison, the cosmic web, the large-scale structure of the universe, is characterized by filaments and clusters of galaxies separated by vast voids. The Bodhi's Void is one of the largest known voids. The sheer emptiness of the Bodhi's Void is what makes it so unnerving. It's a cosmic vacuum cleaner, a gaping hole in the fabric of the universe where galaxies, stars, and planets seem to have been systematically removed. Scientists believe these voids form naturally through the process of cosmic structure formation, where matter clumps together under gravity, leaving behind vast regions of relative emptiness. However, the sheer scale of the Bodhi's Void is still a subject of intense study and debate. What is it like to be at the center of such an expanse? Imagine being adrift in an ocean of pure blackness, with no landmarks, no distant lights, no sign of civilization. The silence would be absolute, the isolation complete. While there are no physical dangers in the Bodhi's Void in the sense of a black hole or a supernova, the psychological impact of such profound emptiness would be immense. It's the ultimate expression of loneliness, a reminder that the universe, despite its dazzling displays of light and energy, can also be a place of profound and terrifying desolation. The Bodhi's Void challenges our perception of the universe as a bustling metropolis of stars and galaxies. It reveals that the cosmic web is not uniformly populated, but rather a complex structure with vast, dark, and empty spaces. It's a place where the absence of everything is more striking than the presence of anything. It's a cosmic graveyard, a testament to the vastness and indifference of the universe, a place where the silence is deafening and the darkness stretches on forever. The fear it evokes is existential, the fear of being lost, of being utterly alone in an indifferent cosmos. It's the cosmic equivalent of being stranded on a deserted island, only the island is infinite, and the ocean is absolute nothingness. Section 4. Neutron stars. The crushing density of the undead. Let's move from the ethereal emptiness to something terrifyingly solid, yet impossibly dense. Neutron stars. These are the remnants of massive stars that have exploded as supernovae. When a star much more massive than our Sun collapses, it doesn't quite form a black hole. Instead, the gravitational pressure is so intense that it forces protons and electrons to combine, forming neutrons. The result is an object so incredibly dense that a single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons on Earth. Imagine a celestial body with a mass greater than our Sun, but compressed into a sphere only about 20 kilometers, 12 miles, in diameter. That's the size of a city, yet it contains more mass than all of humanity combined. The gravitational pull on the surface of a neutron star is billions of times stronger than Earth's. If you were to stand on one, you'd be instantly flattened into a layer of atoms. The surface is not smooth. It's thought to be a solid crust of iron crystals, potentially with mountains only millimeters high, crushed flat by the immense gravity. But it's not just the density that's terrifying. Many neutron stars spin at incredible speeds, some hundreds of times per second. These rapidly rotating neutron stars are known as pulsars. As they spin, they emit beams of radiation from their magnetic poles. If these beams sweep across Earth, we detect them as regular pulses of radio waves, like a cosmic lighthouse. The regularity and power of these pulses can be mesmerizing, but they also hint at the immense energies at play. The magnetic fields of neutron stars are also extraordinary, trillions of times stronger than Earth's. These fields can accelerate charged particles to near the speed of light, creating powerful jets of radiation. Some neutron stars are so energetic that they are classified as magnetars, possessing the most powerful magnetic fields known in the universe. These fields are so strong that they could strip the magnetic coating off credit cards from light years away. The sheer violence required to create a neutron star, the supernova explosion, is itself a terrifying spectacle. These explosions are among the most energetic events in the universe, briefly outshining entire galaxies. And the object left behind, the neutron star, is a testament to that violence, a superdense, rapidly spinning, highly magnetized corpse of a star, a celestial object forged in fire and compressed by unimaginable forces. It's a place where matter itself is pushed to its absolute limits, a cosmic pressure cooker where the very definition of existence is strained. The fear associated with neutron stars stems from their extreme nature, their incredible density, their rapid rotation, and their potent magnetic fields. They are cosmic behemoths, the undead remnants of stellar giants, and they represent a level of physical extremity that is both awe-inspiring and deeply unsettling. Section 5. The Oort Cloud, the cosmic ice age waiting to happen. Let's venture further out, beyond the familiar planets, to the very edge of our solar system and beyond. Here lies the Oort Cloud, a hypothetical spherical shell of icy objects surrounding our solar system, extending perhaps as far as a light year or more from the Sun. It's considered the reservoir for long-period comets. While not a place of immediate danger like a black hole, the Oort Cloud represents a vast, cold, and largely unknown frontier, a repository of cosmic icebergs that could under certain circumstances be nudged into our inner solar system, posing a potential threat. Imagine a vast, dark, and incredibly cold expanse, populated by trillions upon trillions of icy bodies, ranging in size from small pebbles to small moons. This is the Oort Cloud. It's so distant that the Sun appears as just another bright star in its sky. The objects within it are leftovers from the formation of our solar system, remnants that were flung outwards by the gravitational pull of the gas giants billions of years ago. The terrifying aspect of the Oort Cloud isn't its inherent hostility, but its potential for disruption. These icy bodies are in extremely stable, distant orbits. However, gravitational perturbations from passing stars or giant molecular clouds can alter these orbits, sending comets on a collision course with the inner solar system. A single, massive comet impacting Earth could have catastrophic consequences, potentially wiping out life as we know it, similar to the event that is believed to have contributed to the extinction of the dinosaurs. The sheer scale of the Oort Cloud is also daunting. It's estimated to contain anywhere from 100 billion to 10 trillion icy bodies. The distances involved are immense, making direct observation incredibly difficult. We infer its existence primarily from the behavior of long-period comets. It's a cosmic icebox, a silent sentry at the edge of our solar system, holding within it the potential for both wonder and destruction. The fear associated with the Oort Cloud is the fear of the unknown and the potential for a distant, slow-moving threat. It's the cosmic equivalent of a dormant volcano or a sleeping giant. We know it's there, we know it holds immense power, but we don't know when or if it will awaken and unleash its destructive potential. It's a stark reminder that even in the seemingly stable environment of our own solar system, there are forces at play that could, given enough time and the right cosmic nudge, bring about our undoing. It represents a cosmic uncertainty, a potential harbinger of doom lurking in the frigid darkness just beyond our reach. Section 6. The Pillars of Creation, and the Cosmic Void Within. Now, let's return to a place that, at first glance, seems like a cosmic masterpiece, but upon closer inspection, reveals a darker side. The iconic Pillars of Creation, located in the Eagle Nebula, are vast, towering columns of interstellar gas and dust, illuminated by the intense ultraviolet radiation from nearby young, hot stars. They are sites of active star formation, where new suns are being born within their gaseous embrace. They are breathtakingly beautiful, a testament to the creative forces of the universe. However, these pillars are also incredibly dynamic and ephemeral. The very radiation that illuminates them is also slowly eroding them. The young, massive stars nearby are like cosmic blowtorches, blasting away the gas and dust of the pillars. Scientists have observed that the pillars of creation are shrinking, their edges being carved away by this stellar wind. They are beautiful, but they are also in a state of slow, inevitable destruction. The true horror lies not just in their eventual dissolution, but in the process itself. Imagine being born in a place of such intense beauty, only to be slowly consumed by the very forces that gave you life. It's a cosmic paradox, a creation that is simultaneously being unmade. The vastness of the pillars, with their intricate structures and swirling gases, can also be seen as a place of immense, crushing pressure and extreme temperatures. The dense gas within the pillars, while birthing stars, also represents a formidable environment, a place where the raw, untamed forces of the cosmos are on full display. Furthermore, the space between these pillars, the seemingly empty void surrounding them, is not truly empty. It's filled with diffuse gas and dust, charged particles, and intense radiation. While not as dense as the pillars themselves, this environment is still hostile to life as we know it. It's a stark reminder that even in the most visually stunning corners of the universe, the underlying reality can be one of immense power, destructive forces, and a constant state of flux. The beauty of the Pillars of Creation masks a story of creation and destruction, a cosmic dance of birth and death that is both awe-inspiring and, in its own way, deeply unsettling. It's a place where the universe is actively sculpting itself, a process that is both life-giving and, in its raw power, terrifying. Conclusion * from the relentless pull of the great attractor to the inescapable prisons of black holes, from the chilling emptiness of the Bodi's void to the crushing density of neutron stars, and from the potential threats of the Oort cloud to the ephemeral beauty of the Pillars of Creation, the universe is a place of profound wonder, and equally profound terror. These are not places of folklore or imagination, they are real, tangible locations and phenomena that challenge our understanding and remind us of our minuscule place in the grand cosmic tapestry. The fear they inspire is not the fear of ghosts or monsters, but a deeper, existential dread. It's the fear of the unknown, of the immense power of nature, of our own fragility, and of the vast, indifferent cosmos that surrounds us. But within this terror, there is also a strange sense of awe. These places push the boundaries of our knowledge, forcing us to confront the limits of our comprehension and to marvel at the sheer scale and complexity of the universe. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, filled with wonders beyond our wildest dreams and horrors that can chill us to the bone. As we continue to explore, to push the boundaries of our understanding, we will undoubtedly uncover even more terrifying and awe-inspiring places. The journey into the cosmos is a journey into the heart of both beauty and dread. And perhaps, in confronting these cosmic terrors, we come to better understand ourselves and our place within this magnificent, terrifying universe. The darkness between the stars is not empty, it is filled with the echoes of creation, the whispers of destruction, and the silent, eternal hum of the truly, cosmically scary. And so we've journeyed through the chilling expanse from the icy desolation of the Oort cloud, a graveyard of comets lurking at the very edge of our solar system, to the violent star-birthing nurseries of nebulae like the Pillars of Creation, where cosmic forces sculpt with brutal, breathtaking artistry. We've peered into the abyss of black holes, where gravity reigns supreme and not even light can escape its crushing embrace. We've contemplated the eerie silence of rogue planets, adrift in the interstellar void, and the chilling prospect of neutron stars, remnants of stellar death so dense a teaspoonful would weigh more than all of humanity. These are not tales spun from campfire smoke or whispered in darkened rooms. These are scientific realities, astronomical phenomena that exist, indifferent to our fascination or our fear. The terror they evoke isn't born of superstition, but of a primal, existential reckoning. It's the profound realization of our own infinitesimal scale against the backdrop of cosmic immensity. It's the chilling awareness of forces far beyond our control, of natural processes that operate on timescales and with a power that dwarfs our fleeting existence. This isn't the fear of a jump scare in a horror film, it's the deep, unsettling dread that arises when we confront the truly unknown, the forces that shape galaxies, the ultimate indifference of the cosmos. It's the humbling recognition of our fragility, the understanding that our existence, so precious to us, is but a blink in the eye of eternity. Yet, within this very terror, there lies an undeniable, captivating awe. These extreme environments, these cosmic anomalies, are the very frontiers of our knowledge. They challenge our assumptions, stretch the limits of our comprehension, and compel us to marvel at the sheer, audacious scale and complexity of the universe. They are the ultimate reminders that reality is far stranger, far more magnificent, and yes, far more terrifying than our wildest imaginings. The universe, then, is not merely a canvas of beautiful starlight, it is a landscape painted with both wonder and dread. As our probes venture further, as our telescopes peer deeper, we are bound to uncover even more phenomena that will inspire both goosebumps and gasps of astonishment. This ongoing exploration, this relentless pursuit of understanding, is a journey into the very heart of cosmic duality. It's a path that leads us to confront the sublime terror of the void, and in doing so, perhaps, to find a deeper understanding of ourselves, our place within this grand, and often frightening, cosmic drama. The darkness between the stars is not an empty void. It is pregnant with the echoes of creation, pregnant with the whispers of cosmic destruction, and alive with the silent, eternal hum of the truly, cosmically scary. What truly lies beyond our current understanding? What other terrifying wonders await discovery in the unplumbed depths of space? The universe is calling. Are you ready to listen? Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next cosmic exploration. And tell us in the comments below, which of these terrifying places left the biggest impression on you?